You girls ready? You ready, babe? Let's go head out so we can spend a little time at the hacienda.
Is that a skirt or a dress?
Skirt.
I like it. It looks good. She's all dressed up. She got out of the truck with Ken and come on. I was like, this is my daughter all dressed up. I couldn't believe with a dress on.
Hush.
Normally.